In this video, I'll show you how to add a sales page in Wix. First, go to Wix and open your site. On the left panel, click on Pages and Menu, then click Add Page. Since Wix doesn't have a specific template for sales page, choose a blank page, and you can name it something like Sales. Now it's time to customize your page. Click on Design sections and choose one that fits your site style. You can edit the text to make it engaging, something that captures your buyer's attention. You can also add in a button. On the left panel, click Add Elements, then choose Button. Pick a button style you like and add it to your page. You can customize its style. Just click on Design and choose a style. And you can also change its layout. To link it to another page, just go to Settings, click on the link icon, and choose Page, then select Category Page, which contains all your products. You can also add another section, then click Add Elements, go to Store, and choose to display your best seller products. Below that, you can add another section, add in a text element, include a short marketing paragraph, something like why customers should choose your shop and what sets your products apart. For the final section, let's add a call to action. Add again a text element, then type in your call to action. You can also add another button. You can style the button and design it according to your liking. You can also link it to your product or category page. Once everything is set, click on Preview to test your sales page. When visitors click your buttons, they'll be taken to the page where they can view your products and add them to their cart. And that's it. You can always improve your page further by customizing the layout, colors, and content to better fit your brand and goals. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.